Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's do question 28. You have a prism in which there's a ray entering and exiting. Since incidence and emergence angles are not the same, this is not the case where the ray is parallel in the middle of the prism. These will be the normals. This is I, R1, R2, E, this is A. If we increase these two, R1 plus R2 plus this angle is 180, and since these two are 90, this plus A is 180, so we get A is equal to R1 plus R2. This is all quite general for any prism. We are given that I is equal to 35 degrees and E is equal to 79, and delta, which is the deviation, is equal to 40 degrees. Now we know what delta is. In the first case, the deviation will be I minus R1, and in the second case, it will be E minus R2, which is equal to I plus E minus R1 plus R2, which is A. This is equal to 40. And putting in the values of E and I, what we'll get is A is equal to 74 degrees. Now we are asked which value is closest to the maximum possible value of mu. The maximum possible value means even for that value, there should be no total internal reflection. So the ray which is coming at this angle, complete grazing incidence, will go parallel and will go like this. This ray will suffer the maximum deviation, right? Because deviation increases with I. So if I is 90 degrees, the deviation will be maximum. And even if in that case there is no total internal reflection, then we can say there is no total internal reflection ever. So if we look at that case, the incident ray will go something like this, parallel, and then it will be like this, and then it will come out like this. Right? This is nearly parallel. So the equation we'll have is I is 90, this is R1. So what we'll have is mu sine R1 is equal to 1. I into the refractive index of this side, which gives me mu is equal to 1 by sine R1. And now, since this is completely symmetric, incidence and emergence angles are same, R1 will be the same as R2, which means A will be 2R1, or R1 will be A by 2. So we get the answer mu is equal to 1 by sine of A by 2. A is 74, half of that is 37. Luckily, we have an angle whose value we know. Sine 37 is 3 by 5, which means mu is equal to 5 by 3, which is 1.666. Right? So this is the maximum possible value of mu. The values in the options which is closest to that is 1.7, which is option 3. This completes the solutions. Thank you.